Hello little artist. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. The saying an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Hello, little. Do you like apple? So, this video for you. At first, we draw the cutting. Next, we draw the body part of the apple. Here we draw curve to draw the apple. Lastly, we draw the leaves of the apple. Apples are a popular and nutritious fruit enjoyed worldwide. They come in various colors like red, green, and yellow. Now, it's time to coloring. Red color. Apples are a good source of fiber and vitamin C highlights their potential health benefits. Apples can be eaten fresh, used in pies, or made into juice. Apples are amazing fruits, loved by everyone. They come in many colors like red and green, and are super good for us. They have several health benefits like fiber, which is good for our tummies, and vitamins that help keep us healthy. We color it very carefully. Green color. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.